And we're back with another natural deodorant because y'all know that's how I carry it, okay? Now, this is the Lavanila, I guess, the water and vanilla scent for Peace. Now, I love natural deodorants, but I will say, if you are looking to get into natural deodorants, if you are stressed, if you work in a high stress environment, or if you are just a naturally stressed out person, do not mess with the natural deodorants. You will end up smelling like an Italian hoagie. Your body is not prepared for this and it will not work. So save your money because these things are not cheap at all. And you're going to end up having to buy another deodorant. But let's get into this. Starting with the pros. Love the packaging. I love this. Found this at TJ Maxx for $7.99. I was looking at it on Amazon. It was double the price. I literally almost bought it and I found it the next day at TJ Maxx. So $8 was a win. I like how this is made, how sturdy it is. It feels like it can be reused, but let's open this up. Nice and smooth. I like how it is. Now, I like the fact that you can easily wind this up or down with the bottom part, which a lot of the natural deodorants, they are really hard to push up and down. Some of them are in the push pop containers, which can be a tad annoying once they start getting down to the bottom, and it'll just make you just spend the money all over again instead of using every last drop. But let's get into the scent of this deodorant. It does not stink, but it doesn't smell like vanilla. I expected a little more vanilla scent, and I am a vanilla girl, but this just, it smells fine, but not my cup of tea. As far as on a deodorant scale, like my number one is going to be the Native. I love the Native deodorant. If I had to place this somewhere, this would be, I would go with Native, then the Raw Sugar brand, then this, then the Hey Humans. And I definitely wouldn't buy Hey Humans again. I actually have a review of when I used the Hey Humans deodorant, and I just really wasn't a fan. But I noticed something similar on here that was on the Hey Humans as well. And I believe it says something like reapply as needed. And if you have to reapply your deodorant prior to washing up, which I don't think you should do that. Like if you need to reapply your deodorant, you need to wash your underarms again as well. But that is a clear indication that the deodorant is not going to hold up. And it's not going to mask the funk if you start stinking. So I probably wouldn't buy this again because this just doesn't last as long and your underarms do start sweating. Let's say like if you go to sleep, when you wake up the next day, your underarms might be a little moist. This has a softer texture, whereas I feel like Native is a little bit more oily. But again, this didn't beat out Native for me, and I will more than likely never buy this again.